Statement 18. A door will open for you. Ask, and you shall receive. Seek, and you shall find. Knock, and a door will open for you. Opportunities are all around you. If you take the steps to go after your dreams, your goals, your desires, one of those opportunities will pop up. Doors don't open when you're just sitting on your butt. You can't expect something to open for you if you aren't making the action of pulling at the handle. Manifestation is real. When you speak out into the universe to claim what is yours, it will find its way to you. It may not be when or how you expect, but what you put out into the world will come to you. At times, it may seem that you're knocking and knocking and knocking with no answer. Sometimes you have to wait. Sometimes blessings require immense amounts of patience. Sometimes you have to go through a window. But as long as you are taking the actions to move yourself into the space that you want to be, the world will open up a way for you.